Whoa. Song bad and unruly.
Get my dog, get my dog, get my dog.
Yo, what the baddest mix this? No man not tell me nothing.
I murder them, hear me now?
Let me tell you this. Any man that put up a man in a ear, use a batty man. The man never love woman two in a ear. No!
Dropping the old school.
It's a Friday!
Dropping all your favorites. Dropping all your favorites. Ladies and gentlemen, you better get ready. just got real. Please welcome the real deal. DJ. Are you ready? Get ready. Let's get this party started. Dropping all your favorites.
It's going down right here. Oh, yeah. Right now.
One time now.
Let's go.
It's going down. City to city, coast to coast. Right here.
Alright, can't go wrong with you, dig?
Right now. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
3, 2, 1.
Dropping the old school.
Stevie.
Oh yeah!
Hit it up, my selector.
The #1 music station. The best music, live and direct. This is
DJ Stevie the finest.
Turning it up to a 10.
You already know what it is.
Feel the energy.
You about to listen to.
It's your girlfriend's favorite DJ.
DJ Stevie the finest.
In the mix.
Only club bangers.
You are rocking with DJ Stevie the finest.
It's a Friday!
We calling this one the Isolation Mix. On lockdown. Well, here's the DJ that's got the jams on lock. It's the hottest mix to get you through quarantine.
Are you ready to party?
Turn it up, baby.
Get on the dance floor.
Come on, y'all, let's get it!
Holla.
DJ Stevie the finest.